so the reason why we're doing that is also to test your flexibility and keep us on track. So if you can sit up high and try to reach as far as you can for your toes and count up 5 seconds. Okay?
You count 5.
Yeah.
So you tell me to go?
Go. Yeah. Back. So we're going to do that twice. Just do the same thing again. Big breath in and try to reach again. I'm very flexible. Yeah. Now I'm going to go and do still testing the flexibility with the arm over. So if you can just stand. Sorry? Yeah, I will just change it again.